Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Mariam Sajjad from CID News Network with my program Around the World in 60 Seconds. PM Imran to take telephone calls from public today. Prime Minister Imran Khan will directly engage with the public via telephone today. The Premier will take telephone calls at 1:30 p.m. COVID cases positivity ratio start declining in Pakistan. According to the National Command and Operations Center data, 3,084 new infections emerged when 38,883 samples were tested during the same period. The positivity ratio of new cases after a decline was recorded at 7.93%. US authorities Pfizer BioNTech vaccine for 12 to 15 years old. The US Food and Drug Administration on Monday authorized the use of Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine for children aged 12 to 15 years old. This is a promising development in our fight against the virus, said President Joe Biden. In the midst of COVID pandemic, India is battling a surge of black fungus. India, already in the midst of a wave of COVID-19 infection, is now facing a dual health crisis, dangerous black fungus infections developing in recovered patients' brain. Mass inoculation, Spain, UK near achieving herd immunity. Herd immunity, also known as population immunity, is in that indirect protection from an infectious disease that happens when a population is immune either through vaccination or immunity developed through previous infection. 20 Philistines killed in Israeli airstrikes in Gaza. Israel launched deadly airstrikes on Gaza Monday in response to a barrage of rockets fired by Hamas and other Palestinian militants amid spiraling violence sparked by unrest at Al-Aqsa Mosque compound. China to set up separation line on Mount Everest over COVID-19 fears. China will set up a separation line on the peak of Mount Everest to avoid possible COVID-19 infections by climbers from virus-hit Nepal, after dozens were taken ill from the summit's base camp. Pandemic measures to total 5.85 trillion, says European Union. The European Union's top economy official said on Monday that the recovery measures the European Union and its 27 member states have in the works to emerge from the pandemic total around 5.85 trillion. Turkish minister in Saudi Arabia for talks to mend ties. Turkey's foreign minister arrived in Saudi Arabia on Monday for talks aimed at overcoming a rift over the 2018 killing of Saudi journalist in Istanbul that led to bitter recriminations and a Saudi boycott of Turkish goods. This is end of today's international news. Thank you for watching CID News Network, Islamabad.